Hello, hello. Welcome back. Let's go to Washington's Great Deception Pass today. We finally made it. What's going on around here?
I'm trying to find some shells.
Not gonna lie, I'm kind of hungry. I'm kind of ready to eat. Oh, we found a fort. Are we doing a crib tour?
No, not crib. It's a Rocky.
Wow! Look at the inside. I can't climb in there because I'm a little too big for the space. This sand reminds me of Hawaii. Just makes me wish it was warm. But it's not. It's like 30 degrees outside. No cap, my lips are a little bit dry. So I'm gonna take my Vaseline lip therapy. I'm just gonna hydrate. I can't see anything. Made it to the other side, the other beach. You can see my breath. I'm like a dragon. That is the Deception Pass Bridge. All done hiking. We've got our post-hike fuel. Got a sandwich with turkey, cheese, and butter. We got our chips. We hiked all the way.
That was not a hike.
Well, not a hike, but we walked all the way to the other side of the beach. Like almost to the bridge, but not quite. We're gonna do a rock haul.
This isn't all of them. Can it see me? Can you see that?
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
The rock is see. We already know.
They have to be wet for you to like.
Get out. And then we have all my rocks. Sheesh. Check it out. We got a lot of these. Look at how pretty this is.
I think there's some leftover. Nope. There's like a little bit of turkey in here.
You gotta lick it to show it.
Here.
Have a bite of your sandwich,
Pretty seashells. She sells seashells by the seashore.
It's the flavor.
Yummy.
Bro, what is happening?
Wow, I didn't even know.
What the heck? That's why you're supposed to have a lid on. Like, what are you doing?
Guys, we came to Wiggy Island Coffee out in Oak Harbor. Got myself a spritzer, a Rebel spritzer. It's green apple, peach, and coconut with a little bit of cream. Everybody left me.